Begin by painting your stone using black for the base colour. Use the largest dotting tool, 6mm, to create the central green dot. Use the 1mm dotting tool to create the next ring of green and white dots. Start the next ring by repeating the 8-dot pattern in white using the 1mm dotting tool. Use the 4mm dotting tool to create the next ring using yellow paint. For the next ring, use the 6mm dotting tool and paint 8 red dots in the gaps created by the yellow dots. Next, use the 1mm dotting tool to create a cascade effect of green dots around the large red dot. Once dry, add smaller dots in the gaps and on top of the previously painted dots for a decorative finish. Congratulations, you've just created your first mandala design. Begin by painting your stone using a shade of paint for the base colour. Use the largest dotting tool, 6mm, to create the central white dot. Start the ring by adding 4 small dots. Using the same technique, finish the 16 white dot ring. Repeat the ring in yellow. Create the next circle of dots in dark blue using the 4mm dotting tool and add another circle of 16 dots. Offset the blue ring with smaller green dots using the 1mm tool, dotting directly under the blue dots and in between them. For the next ring, use a 6mm dotting tool and paint a ring of 16 dots in light blue. Now offset the light blue ring with green dots using the 1mm tool. Next, use the smallest dotting tool to create a border of dots around the design. Once dry, add smaller dots in the gaps and on top of the previously painted dots for a decorative finish. Spot on! You've just created your rock art design. Begin by painting a black circle in the middle of your stone with your brush. Use the 4mm dotting tool to create a white dot in the centre. Use the 1mm dotting tool to create 4 further dots around this one. Now take the 4mm dotting tool and make 4 dots with the lilac paint in between the smaller white ones. Start the next ring in light blue with the 4mm dotting tool. Use the 4 axis points to start and then fill the gaps in between to make 8 dots in total. Now take the 6mm dotting tool and offset the next ring slightly by adding 8 dots in mid-blue in the gaps created by the smaller dots. Next, use the smallest dotting tool to create a cascade effect of dots around the large blue ones and add a vertical cascade in light blue. Enjoy the process and get creative by adding further dots.